Welcome to Expect Best. We specialize in providing web design, digital marketing, hosting and a ton of other digital solutions. Our experts offer a complete package to meet all your digital needs. And with over 400 happy customers, we've proven ourselves at crafting amazing digital products and services. If you're ready to elevate your brand online with a team that's as passionate as you, Expect Best can help.
Web design in Bournemouth is like building a home. First, you decide what it looks like. Then we gather all the materials. Finally, we assemble the elements. Now web design in Bournemouth is similar, but instead of building a physical home, we design a digital site that's enticing and easy to navigate. We'll also pick out fonts, colors, and images to create a unique space that looks great. But being a web designer in Bournemouth also requires a deep knowledge of the nuances of modern web design techniques and principles. Elements like graphic design, responsive design, SEOs, and more all come together to help build an effective online presence.
At Expect Best, we pride ourselves on delivering a range of online solutions which are tailored to helping businesses generate more leads, more sales, and more exposure. Regardless of your business needs, our professionals are equipped to boost your brand's online presence and will cater to any requirements. We take great pride in having served over 400 satisfied customers, and we've provided customized solutions for each client, with no obligations. Our creative team are committed to turning your digital ideas into a reality. So, for any inquiry, be it a minor or a major project, please feel free to get in touch via our website, or you can call our number on 01202 237 027. Thanks for watching this video. We hope it helps.